Hello and welcome to my video demonstration video for error handling and data validation for this week. So to start out, I'm going to show the two new routes I added, and they are my delete and put routes. So we're going to do them first here real quick. So here I already activated my get, and we're going to delete this right here because this was before when I was building everything, testing, whatnot, and so we're just going to delete that garbage data in there. So we can clear this, we'll put a new ID. So as you can see, it says it went through, but just to prove that it went through, I'll execute this get route again. And then as you can see, it deleted the one that I targeted that didn't have a movie ID. Cool. So now let's do this. So here, I'll just fill it with like some garbage data, nothing, crazy, just like a bunch of random stuff. But then I want to choose one to update, so let me actually come back here. So this one isn't really anything special. I'm just going to experiment on the hello there or whatever. It's going to change it. Let me just do a number that we'll probably be able to easily see, so I'll switch it to 100. And we'll put the ID in there. Let's run that. Oh, whoops, my bad. Let's switch that to 90 then. But this is a good example where with my data validation, I made it where it can only do 2 characters long, because with this database, I'm not expecting any IDs, at least in this project, like to be over 2 characters. So anywho, so that's just an example of my put data validation. And then we can see it updated it here. And just to show that I actually did, I can just go over here and we can see that updated there. Cool. So real quick, so with post and put is where I mainly did a data validation. So here I'll have some invalid data for the post where the movie ID will be empty. If it'll load. There it goes. So then it spits out the error that I found is that, hey, it's not allowed to be empty, something has to be filled. And then just to show that it does not add it to the database, we can see that it did not. And then the last thing I'll quickly show is, at least with error handling things, I added catch blocks to all my get, put, and delete. So if anything were to happen, like for example, if I were to take out like that movie in the collection, for some odd reason, and I think I did that in my get movie by ID. If I head back to my REST client here and try and send the request, should probably start it first. And okay, cool. So if I send the request, it says, hey, the collection must be a string. So basically it forced it into the catch block there. And then if you go on GitHub, you can see my other catch blocks and everything else. But hopefully you enjoyed that video. I try to make it as short as possible. But thank you for watching.